Now let me tell you about our friend Moses. Oh my, what a character he was. In a bustling ancient city there lived a carpenter who couldn't tell a hammer from a herring.
Oof! Oh no, not again!
Poor Moses. He tried his best, but his workshop looked more like a playground for mischievous tools than a carpenter's haven.
Remember, Moses, the greatest boats were built by those who dared to dream beyond their tools.
Thanks, but I can barely dream beyond this chair right now.
Help! A lamb fell into the old well.
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Without a second thought, our Moses leaped into action. Sure, he tumbled a bit on the way, but that didn't stop him.
Got you, little one.
Moses, listen carefully. A great flood is coming. You must build an ark to save the animals and your people.
Me? Build an ark? But I can barely build a chair.
And just like that, our clumsy carpenter's life was about to change forever. Oh my, what an adventure we're in for.
Me build an ark? I can barely walk without tripping. Oh gosh, it wasn't a dream. Friends, we need to build an ark, a big boat, a flood is coming.
Moses, you can't even build a decent chair.
Excuse me, Mr. Mo. I believe you, and I want to help.
A talking giraffe, now I know I'm dreaming.
No dream, Mo. I'm Gerry, and I've got a long neck for a wreath on. I can help you reach the high places.
Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. We're really doing this. You know what, Gerry? I think we might just pull this off.
You thad it, Mo. We're in fifth together.
We did it, everyone! We're halfway there!
Uh-oh, Mo. I think we need to pick up the pathe.
Let's show Moses what we think of his silly ark.
No, all our hard work! Don't worry. We can fix this. We just need to...
Hey, Mo. Remember when you thaved that little lamb? You didn't give up then, did you?
You're right, Gerry. We can't give up now. All right, everyone. Let's build this ark. Friends, animals, lend me your ears. Oh, not literally. We've got an ark to finish.
We're with you, Moses. Let's build this boat.
Elephants, bring those logs. Monkeys, start hammering. Gerry, you're on lookout.
Aye, aye, Captain Mo.
Wait a minute. That's it. Quick, everyone grab a plank. We'll slide the animals aboard.
It was a regular animal water park. Penguins slid in on their bellies, hippos made a splash, and even the porcupines found a smooth way in.
That's it, 2 by 2, don't push, there's room for everyone. We did it! We're all safe!
You did it, Mo. You thaved us all.
So long, everybody. And remember, even if you're a little clumsy, you can still do great things.